I am Bilal Zaman and you are watching Cyber News HD now. Adding news from Sialkot. Visit of Varti Commissioner Gujranwala Mr. Muhammad Ali to Allama Iqbal Memorial Teaching Hospital Sialkot. The Medical Superintendent's Office of Allama Iqbal Memorial Teaching Hospital had the honor of hosting Varti Commissioner Gujranwala Division, accompanied by Deputy Commissioner Sialkot Sabah Asghar Ali and Additional Deputy Commissioner Ghulam Naeem Bashir. During the visit, the delegation reviewed key hospital departments, assessed ongoing healthcare services, and discussed measures to further enhance patients' care and administrative efficiency. The medical superintendent briefed the distinguished guest of current initiative challenges and future development plan of the hospital. The honorable guest appreciated the effort of the hospital administration and staff in providing quality healthcare services to the public. They emphasized the importance of continued improvements in service delivery, infrastructure, cleaning and patient facilitation. All observations pointed by Varti Commissioner Sahab noted and administration of hospital will take promote action to improve HOS. The visit concluded with a commitment to strengthen coordination between the district administration and hospital management to ensure better healthcare outcomes for the community.